Yeah, they really tried to knock me down, but they didn't knock me down. I've been through some ups and downs, but I still keep my smile. I'ma make my mama proud. I'm a king, I'ma rock my crown. They really tried to knock me down.
Peace and love. We're here at the Black Joy Parade here on Peace TV, and I got some good, powerful brothers with me right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let them introduce themselves.
Dame Drummer.
Hey, to the miggity, man. Yes, sir. Love more.
So y'all here with Brother Peace, man. I've been getting different perspectives of peace, man. So I just want to see, what does peace look like to y'all here at the Black Joy Parade?
I mean, today, man, today is a great example of peace. You know, people smiling, black people walking past each other, smiling, wishing each other well. You know what I mean? Loving on each other. You know, that's the kind of peace that I wish that we could just enjoy, man, on the daily, bro. You feel me?
Peace to me is it's just like no matter what emotions you go through, you can still be at peace. You feel me? Every emotion, you could be mad, you could be happy, you could be whatever, but you can still find your peace in every emotion. So it's a grounding factor for me in protecting my peace and practicing my peace and just maintaining my peace is a thing, you know. So right now, like, my outer world popping, like my outer world cool, but my inner world need that work. You know, I just cleaned my room before I came here. That's gonna give me some peace. That let me know that, okay, when I get back to the house, basically physically, if my car, the house dirty, that show that my mind cluttered. You feel me? And I'm trying to fix the clutter outside of me. So that's an important part for me. Is just having my inner peace and my outer peace connected on love.
That inner peace and that outer peace connected. I resonate with that, man. These two powerful brothers here in the Bay Area community that do a lot of dope things, man. Personally, brother, like when you're not in that harmonious state of peace or not having a good day, what are some practices or some pathways or some tools that you utilize to put you in that state of peace?
I'm always grounded, man. But whenever I do, tilt either way, I get into a quick prayer, man, and then it don't take me long to get out of it. You know what I mean? But I'm also a master creator, man. So my mind is always filled with something creative. And when I'm in my creation, I know I'm in my purpose. So if I'm in my purpose, that means that I know I can't stay in my funk too long. You feel what I'm saying? Because I got stuff to do, man. I got things to do, people to touch, So I wish I could say every day was perfect, man. But I really do a good job, man, of getting out of that funk and getting to a place where I'm productive with not just myself, but for the people around me,
Let the people know how they can keep up with you, good brother.
Oh, everything is at Dame Drummer. DameDrummer.com, and everything on social media is at Dame Drummer, DameDrummer.
Y'all tap in with the good brother Dame Drummer here in the Bay Area, man, and brother love. But thank you, Miggity, and give thanks to both of y'all brothers. Let people know how they can keep up with you.
You feel me? Hey, you might not be able to keep up with me. I got Sonic shoes on. You feel me? So hey, you got to do your work to tap in with the Mig. But I'm out here though. You feel me? I ain't hard to find, but I am hard to find on love.
I say. All right, give thanks, brother Dame. Appreciate you for sharing your perspective, man.